This is Milwaukee Super Sawzall 13 amps. I've been using this tool for so many years. You can see how dirty it is. I use it in all different situations, no matter in the rain. I cutting trees with it. I cutting big trees. You see all the mud on it. And this tool serves me really well. It got lots of power. It never died. And another good thing is that the saw blade is super cheap. So if you want to cut something, it doesn't matter about the quality or accuracy. So for example, you want to do some just cut off, the reciprocating saw is your first choice. And in my opinion, that reciprocating saw, the Milwaukee brand is the best. And I think this is the famous the Sawzall name comes from. And this version is the corded. And they also got the cordless version. I just want to give you my 2 cents about whether you should choose the corded or cordless. So it all depends on what kind of job you do. So if you think that you're going to use it like a full day, half a day, or do it usually like a full power. For example, if you do a lot of demolition or if you want to cut some trees, and I think you need a corded. You need the power cords so it can supply a lot of power. And if you only using it occasionally, or if you just use it for several cuts, not too much, I think the cordless is better because all the time you need to find the power source to plug that in. And also if it's a little bit far away from the power source, you have to find the extension cord. Biggest trick when I cut is like this. I use a longer blade because I'm afraid of the chainsaw. So that's why if I'm cutting trees, I'm using this tool. So if you just cut something like small, you don't need a lot of power, just buy the cordless. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.